Before starting this video, I would like to showcase you some videos which has been incorporated with AI. So have you seen these videos? Do you find any difference between an original video and an AI generated video? So there is no any specific difference. So this can be done by SORA AI. So SORA AI has been introduced by OpenAI. So this application is also very similar to ChatGPT. So basically what happens in ChatGPT, you send some text and that text prompt can be converted into a text conversation. But here AI has transformed into another next level. That is, from text you can convert a video, you can generate a video. So just you have to type some prompts that, for example, you have to write a man who is reading a book on sitting on a cloud. So this AI will convert this text into a video. So now you can see that how AI has been transformed within just 1.5 years. Before 1.5 years, when ChatGPT was launched, so it was difficult to understand that how this AI tool is so advanced that this AI is solving all the problems. But the same thing is happening after 1.5 years, that is from a text to a video. So this AI can be helpful for the people who are more into filming and more into graphics. But yes, the job of editing, the job of graphic designing, the job of making games and animations, the animators will be destroyed in near futures. So there is a lot to discuss about SORA AI, but in this video I'm just going to discuss about the specifications of SORA AI only. So let's get started. So the number one is that in this SORA AI, what we have to do is we just have to type the prompt, and that prompt will be converted into a video. So you don't have to type specific codes or you don't have to type specific things to generate a video. Number two, this SORA AI will be free for everyone. So now it is on a testing period because it's a threat also for the people who are very famous. Now you can make duplicate videos and it will be difficult to identify which video is original and which video has been generated by AI. So right now this is not launched for the public. Number three, you can get premium options, you can get premium things like you can export your videos into a 4K into HD quality as well. So this application will be free up to HD quality, but after that you have to buy some subscription to make your video on a more advanced level. So these are the three specific things about SORA AI, and for more we will wait for the launch of the SORA AI. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, please subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.